Did you think Rolls-Royce vehicles were fancy, Will?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just made it fancier.
They're described as fancy.
They just made it fancier.
Oh. How?
I don't know, more lights and stars and stuff on the inside. This is called the Phantom Tempus, and they took it to another level. I mean, they just got completely out of hand with the lights and stuff, and they made a limited number of these and charged a bunch of money, and I'm sure that they sold them all, by the way.
Oh.
We're just seeing pictures today, but you gotta let them know way in advance if you want something like this. The dashboard, called Frozen Flow of Time Gallery, is a single billet of black anodized and hand-polished aluminum milled to feature 100 individual columns. Light reflecting off the dash gives the design a ripple and flex effect, even though it's a solid structure. These are the things you need, Will, in your life. I don't know if you knew that.
No.
There's a quote in there from Albert Einstein inside the vehicle. It says, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion."
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. When you have this kind of money, those are the type of quotes you read on the daily.
Very grand.
That's right. Yeah, it's a huge space kind of theme to it on the inside. I mean, it looks like a cool place to hang out, I'll be honest with you. And
look, there's a galaxy in there.
That's all it is. If you want access to
Right
the
in
galaxy, you just have to buy this particular vehicle. It's really that simple. Anyway, Rolls-Royce says that the 20 bespoke Phantom models it plans to build have already been allocated to customers, so don't even try it. They will be treated to a personalized Spirit of Ecstasy that can sport a significant date and location of the owner's choosing. The Spirit of Ecstasy is the symbol on the front, by the way.
Yeah.
Of course you knew that.
Yep.
You don't need to be told. Rolls-Royce enthusiast Willie do.